Hello guys, welcome to TDS Tech. Today we are going to learn about some command lines in Windows operating system. Actually, before 1994, there was a operating system named ms-dos operating system. It was invented in 1981 and last updated in 1994 and created by Tim Patterson as well, and that was actually made for IBM computers, and later invention of other that means computers, other computers can also run on MS-DOS after 1994. And I think after 2000 people were stopped using MS-DOS operating system, but still people use command lines today. So we are going to learn about some command lines of MS-DOS. So without wasting time, guys, let's get started. So to open that command prompt, just open your start menu and type cmd. Right click on it and just open as run as administrator. Why run as administrator? Because there are some permissions given to users. Beyond that permission, your user cannot access some commands or some data, so that's why you open it as a administrator. So after opening, it shows that it is in C, Windows, and after system 32. So we'll go in parent directory, that is root directory, just typing by cd space slash. So we are in a root directory now. We are going to see few topics, how you can create and delete your directory, how you can open from one directory to another directory, and how you can copy files, rename them, and delete files as well. So after these topics, I'll just show you a quick part of this part. Okay, so we'll go in D directory. Okay, so we are in a D directory now. So if you want to see contents in a D, contents are available in the D directory, so just type dir and hit enter. Sorry, that was my mistake. dir and hit enter. So here it will show your contents available in D drive along with the date and the modification as well. And here you can see how many bytes the disk is available, that is free, it shows here. So first we will see how you can open one directory, how you can open these directories only. So just type, I'll open okay, docs directory. So just type cd space docs and hit enter. So you are in a docs directory, that is the documents directory. So to seeing contents in that, so just type dir and hit enter. So here are your some contents present in the docs directory. I'll go to D. So I'll just type cd space double dot. Cd space double dot means just a backspace, not to the parent directory. That is the difference between cd space slash, that means backward slash, and cd space dot dot. Okay, so to see the version of your MS-DOS, just type ver for version. It will show Microsoft Windows version. Okay, and after that we are going to create a directory named TDS Tech. Okay, so to make a directory you can type md space TEDIOUS and hit enter. So directory is created. How you can see, just type dir. So here it is showing that TDS Tech. And there is another way to create a directory. just type mkdir space tt. I'll give a name tt and hit enter. So directory is now created. To see again dir and hit enter. So here you can see tt. So we are going to create a new directory in tedious tech folder. So just type cd and tdious tch tech and hit enter. Space again dir. So there are no files in tedious tech because this is a newly created file directory. So we have created this, and to make a new directory md space again I'll create a name tt and hit enter. So you can see by dir and hit enter. Here is your new directory created. So I'll come up in my root directory, that is t. So we'll change the name of that tt to, let's suppose, xyz. So just give a command rename rename tt again space and type your another, that means which name you want to replace. Just type that name. I'll give xyz and hit enter. So the name is now changed. You can see by dir here xyz directory. How you can copy a file in from this directory to this? So you just have to type copy space xyz space tedious tech and hit enter. So 0 files copied because there is no such file in this directory. So we are going to delete xyz. And so okay, before deleting we are just going to add a new text file in xyz. So I'll open my notepad and I'll save it in my D drive. Okay, in xyz 123 I'll give a name. Okay, so how you can copy this? Just open xcd xyz and hit enter, and again dir there is a file named 123. We have just created this file. So I'll just come back and I'll give another command for copy xyz into tedious tech. I'll hit enter. One file is copied. So we are going to see if it is actually copied or not. So for that cd space tedious tech and hit enter, and again dir and hit enter. You can see 123.txt. To remove this file, just type rm 123.txt. Sorry, del space 123.txt. rm is for removing the directory and del is for deleting some particular extension of file. You can delete a pdf file by del command also. So I'll just come back and I'll try to delete xyz folder. So rm space xyz. Sorry, rm is not recognized. Okay, okay, no problem. mkdir was for that. So rmdir space xyz, and the directory is not empty, it is just showing. So we'll go in xyz directory. So for that we'll just type cd xyz, and I'll just give command del123.txt, and okay, now this directory is empty, so I'll just hit a back and rmdir, and we'll type the name xyz of my folder which I want to delete. So the command was successful. We'll just see if that is actually deleted or not. Okay, if we want to see contents from this all to your just like in a tree structure, just type a command tree and hit enter. It shows all your data containing in your D. So to clear this, I'll just give a command cls. So everything was cleared, that is not deleted actually. Everything which we have done earlier, that thing was cleared only. So we have seen copy file, rename file, and delete a file, change one directory to another directory, create and delete directories. Okay, now we are going to see disk part. What actually disk part is, you can clear or clean the disk which are containing in your computer, or which are or you can also or you can also clear or clean your pen drives, flash drives, USBs, whatever you call this, you can clean those things. To this, just type diskpart. Now this part is open, so I'll just give list disk. Oh, I forgot to give a space. Okay, actually there is only one disk is online, that is of 1 TB, and yeah, for selecting this disk, select disk 0. Why 0? Because the number of this disk is 0. Just hit enter. So it says that disk 0 is now selected. To clean this disk, just hit a clean. I won't clean this disk because this disk contain my Windows operating system. If I clean this disk, so there is a chances to get my Windows damage. So I won't do this right now. To exit from this disk part, just type exit. So it says leaving disk part. Earlier, when there was an MS-DOS operating system people use, actually they use their internet connection or their LAN connectivity by a telnet service. You can also run that telnet service in your command prompt. For that, you just have to enter the name telnet and hit enter. Actually telnet is not recognized here. To recognize this, to recognize telnet for our command prompt, you have to install that feature. That feature is in control panel. After that, go to programs, turn on and off Windows features over here, and come downside. Okay, so here you can see a telnet client service. Just press OK, and it is searching for required files. Just wait a while, the service will turn on. So it says Windows completed the requested change. Just close this thing, telnet, and hit enter. Okay, it is now created. So we are just going to give an example IP address to run this telnet. Just type O and hit enter. 2, that means to which computer you want to connect, just give that computer's IP address 192.168.1.1. Actually there is an example IP address, I'm just showing you guys. You have to enter IP address. I'll show you how you can see IP address in command prompt. Just hit enter. Okay, so local host login over here, you have to give an username and password. Yeah, how you can see your IP address is cd. We'll just clear these things, cls. And how you can see your IP address by ip config slash all. Sorry, not this. Yeah, so your computer's IP address is now showing over here, preferred 192.168.1.2. that is your computer's IP address. And this is for virtual, this is for my virtual box IP address, and this is for my wireless LAN connection. Okay, that is up guys. Please give your comments, share this video, and like this video also. Subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you.